In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center an image in Webflow. We'll start inside your Webflow account. Head to your Sites area so you can see your projects, then open the project's dashboard. From there, click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. If you see a design button to enter the canvas, click that to move into the editing view, where you can work directly on your page. Next, open the Navigator panel. This panel shows the full structure of your page and makes it easy to select the exact element you want to style. Use the Navigator search to find the element named Highlight. Type the name, then select that highlight item from the results so the image element is targeted on the canvas. With the element selected, set the image source. Click Choose Image, and in the Asset Chooser, pick the image labeled Highlight. That assigns the file to the image element you just selected. If a quick onboarding prompt appears, such as a Get Started dialog, click through it to continue working. After dismissing it, make sure the same image element is still selected in the Navigator so your style changes apply to the right place. Now move your attention to the right-hand Styles panel. Find the Spacing section. This is where we're going to center the image. The simplest approach is to clear out any fixed horizontal margins and let the browser center the image automatically. Click into the left and right margin controls and set them to auto. You'll see those fields highlight to confirm they're not using a fixed value. For the vertical spacing, set the top and bottom margins to 0 so there's no unexpected gap pushing the image off position. If you notice a specific number in any of the margin fields, something like 158, replace that with auto on the horizontal sides. Fixed margins can force the image to sit off-center. Auto margins instruct the browser to distribute the remaining horizontal space evenly, which centers the image within its parent. As you make these adjustments, you should see the image snap to the center on the canvas. That visual feedback is a good sign that the spacing is set correctly. If your image appears off-center, double-check that the image element is still selected, confirm the spacing section shows auto on both left and right, and that top and bottom are set to 0 as shown. That's it. You opened your project, selected the correct image, assigned the file, and used spacing to center it cleanly and reliably.